Mickey around? You see the black dog around him?
Okay, make room.
Oh, there's Mickey. Okay.
Jump twice. Christina! Jump twice and then jump on the thing and then. Yeah, but you have to twist back or else you'll get stuck.
Go for one go.
Stuck here? Forever.
Hey, everybody, the show's over here. Hey, Bill.
Are you in the back?
I missed it. I'll have to watch it on tape later.
Are you in the back?
You turned away.
I can't even stand on this thing. I don't think I made it up. Oh, I gotta show this to Linda.
We'll show her the videotape. Are you kidding me?
Let me have it. Twice and then jump on that and then jump there and then on there.
I want to see somebody reach the top. When I ordered this thing, Christina goes, "That's not tall enough, Mom." Like, yeah, that's not tall enough. Whoa! Good one.
He's on it. Here I go. Nobody be pulling. Ow! I need to go up.
Kathy, do you know how to jump? It looks like it's hanging. Looks like it's hanging you. You got that suit on, right? Yeah, something. Kathy, I think you got the suit on backwards.
Thank you. Here you go. No,
Oh no, no, she got it on right. It looks simple.
that's enough for me.
It looks simple. Just jump.
Who's next? No! Oh, I want to leave. Alex, it's her suit. Yes, I will.
You think around the collar they wouldn't have Velcro, you know?
I wanted the smaller one. Yeah, like I want that one. Can I see that one? Oh, you want that? Thank you. That was fun. I couldn't get enough sound.